Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to remove the phone code from Doro Leva E30, alias known as the model DFC-0620. As usual, we have here one model. As you can see, it's requesting for the phone code. Since we don't know it anymore, I'm going to use FURIOUSGOLD and the SPD service tool from pack 2 to remove it. So let's start by choosing our model in the software in the boot mode tab. We can also do this in the diag mode tab. And from the operations, I'm going to select format file system. Also, if you wish, you can refresh the firmware, repair the email, or remove the SIM lock. All the operations are supported in both boot mode and diag mode. So let's power off the device. And now on the software, I'm going to press connect. And once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to press one key and insert the USB cable in the powered off device. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. So that's it. The operation ended successfully in less than a minute. The phone powers on, and let's check if it's still requesting for the code. As you can see, it's not requesting anymore the code. It's asking for the pin code of the SIM inserted inside, which is 4 zeros. We already can configure it. So as you can see, the phone fully started. The phone code got successfully removed. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.